So let's get this party started and let's get out there. Oh, it is raining. And see what we can get up to today. Just let this van get out of the way. Here we go then. Hello and welcome back to the channel. I don't know if this is going to be a short one or a long one today. I'm just out on my bike. I had to pick up a couple of things, but I'm going to head back shortly. But on my way I'm going to stop off and have a coffee. I know where there's a Greggs, and if you're from the UK you know what a Greggs is. However, I know this one is going to get refurbished, so it may have closed, but just over the road is a Costa. Yeah, if it's closed, because I know it's going to be shut down for a period shortly, so it may be closed when I get there. But over the road is a Costa coffee. I don't usually like going to Costa. If I have to go to one of the major outlets for coffee, it's Starbucks I prefer. But we can't have everything all of the time, can we? So, and what could go wrong today? It is Friday the 13th after all. We'll see. So what you've been up to over the last week or two? Anything interesting? Here in the UK it's done nothing but rain, but tomorrow we're expecting it to change. It's going to get a lot colder, and apparently we're going to see the sun. So we'll wait and see, shall we? I'm just actually on the outskirts of Appley Woods, the nature reserve, which you may have seen. I think it's in the previous vlog, I'm not sure. I went for a walk round with my dog. Yeah, I'm just on the outskirts of that. Wow, there's a massive puddle. I'm just about to go through. Okay, here we go. Take it nice and easy. That's quite deep. That just shows you how much rain we've had, and the water that's lying on the floor at the moment. It's awful. It's grey, muddy. There's another puddle. The ground is just saturated. We've had nothing but rain for weeks and weeks. Okay, I'm not far away from the Greggs now, which is incorporated in the back of a petrol station. I can see the petrol station. Oh, the Greg lights are on, I think. Yeah, it's still open. That's good. So I don't know when they're going to start the refurbishment. But I'll go and grab myself a coffee. Hello, mate. Can I just get a latte, please?
Latte, is that regular or large?
Regular, please.
That's just 280, that is, mate.
Okay.
Is that a card, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have the app?
No.
No. Just going to come onto that one for you.
Okay. That's lovely.
You, mate.
Cheers, buddy.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ooh. Warm my cockles. Actually, their coffee's not too bad. A latte. Greg's don't do a bad coffee, to be fair, for the price. And there, just behind me, I don't know if the camera's picking up, but that's the Costa coffee just opposite. Actually, what I might do, there's another nature reserve just up here. I might just take a ride through and just take a look. I've been through there once before, but I'm not very familiar with it, and the name has just gone out my head. Thank you. Ah, this is it. So yeah, that one's been a little bit wet. Oh, but I'm back and I made it. I don't know what I can make out of that video today because it was rather wet and cold, but I've made it back. Let me just get off, just get her parked up and tucked in. I'm gonna have to give it a good clean down at some point. I'll just turn her off. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna make out of that video today. It was quite limited to what I could do. Get my little drone out of his bag, keep him dry, but I'm finding that really handy when I go out filming. It's a cracking little drone. Oh, sorry for sniffing, but it is cold. So if you haven't already, give us a subscribe, give us a thumbs up and comment below. Tell me what you think, and hopefully I can make someone out of this video. I just don't know, but I did have a coffee halfway around, so that helped to keep me warm. So until next time, I'll say adios.